It's a big though. But no. Mama. Mama, where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go?
I'm right here, bud.
And where you lost that? Where you lost it?
I was getting something for Blinken to use.
I want it.
This is for Blinken for his exercise, for his training time. You can help us though.
I wanna lay on it.
You can lay beside it and then we say, yay, Blinken, and we clap and we try to get him to pick up his head. Sound good? Okay.
What's in the string?
Yeah, we're gonna get him out of the swing in a minute. We're gonna let you finish your spaghetti. Bless you. Bless you.
Am I gonna get that neck? You say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
I love you.
I love you.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend.